Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set time on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay guys, so if we have a cell phone, it's necessary for us to set our time according to our real time. And to set it up is very easy and I will show you how. Okay, first thing you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then you can scroll down until you found general management guys. Okay, yeah, this one. And then now you can go to date and time. And then to set time, you have to turn off automatic date and time first. And now you can set the time according to your real time right now guys. But in this change, I will put it randomly, and yeah, the time will automatic set after you change it. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to set time on Samsung Galaxy A25. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys.